Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make Kashmiri style Palak Paneer or Tschaman Palak. Made with paneer or cottage cheese and spinach, this dish is a delight to eat. It's a no-fuss dish and easy to cook and best in taste. This paneer and spinach curry is made of balanced spinach and soft paneer. This is a yummy curry of deep-fried paneer cubes in a healthy spinach gravy, sautéed with finely balanced Kashmiri aromatic spices. So let's get started. For making this dish, I have taken spinach around 750 grams, salt 1.5 teaspoon or according to your taste, turmeric 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, ginger powder half a teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, fennel seed powder 1 teaspoon, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And paneer less than half a kg sliced like this or the way you want. And oil we need for frying paneer and for sautéing spinach. Now in a pan I have heated up oil and added paneer slices. We have to deep fry them on both sides. Flip and let it fry on both sides properly. Meanwhile, I have taken around 2 glasses of water in a pan and added half a teaspoon of turmeric and let it boil. Till then paneer is also done. We will add this paneer to boiling turmeric water and let paneer boil in turmeric water for a minute and then take it off the flame and strain. Now in the same pan in which I had fried paneer, I will take out the excess oil and keep just a tablespoon of oil and add ginger garlic paste, cumin seeds, black cardamom, green cardamoms, cinnamon stick and sauté it. Flame here is between low to medium. And then I'll add spinach. Mix and let it cook on medium to high flame for some time. Now once spinach has started to release water, we will add salt. You need to be careful with salt because sometimes paneer is salty. Mix, cover and let it cook till all the water is absorbed. Once all the water is absorbed, I'll add spices, ginger powder, turmeric powder, chili powder and fennel seed powder. Saute and then add a glass of water and add paneer and let it cook for around 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes on low flame, I'll keep high flame now, and here you can adjust gravy accordingly and salt according to your taste. Now very less gravy is left, so I'll dish it out. Perfect Palak paneer is ready. This tastes amazing. Paneer is wrapped in spinach and leveled with aromatic spices. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.